Hey, I'm Ryan with One of the Discovers, and today we're going to look at the FiiO UTWS5s. This is an upgrade from the original UTWS1s and then the UTWS3s. So I'm upgrading mine from the 1 to the 5. So just got the 5 in and excited to unbox this with you. So just like with the 3, you're able to put your headphones into a charging case, kind of like, well, just like AirPods. With this, you have the USB-C port in the back for charging, and you can see here that both the headphones sit in here. The case itself is a little large because obviously they don't know what size in-ear monitors you're going to use, but overall it's nice to just have a case to put them in, a place to charge it, and just something nice. In the meantime, I've just been using this all-clear case for mine. In addition to this, you just have a USB-C to A, USB-A cable to charge it with, just some warranty cards, quick start guide. The quick start guide will basically tell you all of the functionality of the touch on each ear. So there's basically a press, a click, there's like triple click, double click, single click actions that you can do, as well as it also explains the states that they're in, because I know that was kind of a confusing part about the UTWS1s, was sort of what state it was in by the LEDs. So with this one, it seems like if you put it in the case, it's off. When you take it out and it hasn't been paired yet, it'll automatically try to pair or reconnect to the last state. So, and then just the product tips section to show you how to use them. So this basically comes in 2 different connectors. On the all-clear IEMs that I have, they're a 2-pin connector, but unfortunately when I got the UTWS1s, I got the MMCX connector, which I had to buy an adapter between my headphone and the FiiO UTWS1. The UTWS5's 2-pin, fortunately it doesn't really work with the all-clears. There's just some sort of gap that I'll show a picture here showing how it barely sort of works. You can get it to work, but it doesn't stay in quite properly. So I ended up opting to stick with the MMCX, so at least I can sort of easily take this out pretty easily and put on the new one. And it stays in a lot better than if I was to use the 2-pin. If I was going to use the 2-pin, it would be pretty loose. So one thing I just noticed when putting these together, so I have my IEM here and it has the adapter, so it adds like maybe ½ an inch. So I was sort of worried about these fitting in the case since that adapter is like a ½ an inch, but luckily it looks like they both fit, so that's great. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of playroom in there so it shouldn't be too much of a concern. That was the one thing I was worried about. But so there you have it. I hope this is helpful with an unboxing. I haven't used them yet, so I have no idea how to speak on them. Overall, I'm super excited to try them out. They have better audio quality. There's a lot of issues with the UTWS3s that I noticed people had, so I didn't jump on those right away. But then I saw that they came out with the 5s and they fixed a lot of issues I think that people were having. So was excited to jump on this. So let me know if you have any questions and hope this was helpful.